By the way, my wife told me that I talk too fast. I'm mumbling, and no one can hear what I'm saying. And that's why I slowed down to about 50% of my normal talking speed in this video. Because if you can't hear what I'm saying, or if you don't understand my Swinglish, I'll have to stop talking and what? Learn sign language? Or should I add some subtitles in the bottom? Or simply hire Mr. Roger Matty to shoot these videos for me? So, can you hear what I'm saying? Do you understand my Swinglish? I'm recording this with Spatial audio, which is built in this LG360CAM. It's a new option. So we will test it now. I will go around the cameras and whistle a merry song. You can either just put your head still and listen to when I walk around the cams, or you can follow me around, okay?